Hello, fellow space enthusiasts, world citizens, and forward thinkers.
We hope you're doing great and staying healthy wherever you are.
SJC is thrilled to share some wonderful news.
Our annual tradition, the Space Generation Congress, is back.
From the 21st to the 23rd of October 2021, it'll happen for the 19th time.
Since 21st century problems require 21st century solutions,
this year's Space Generation Congress crew
is organizing a one-of-a-kind hybrid event.
You can join us in Dubai and see the Burj Khalifa, the Crescent Moon Tower,
or maybe peek at the famous palm-shaped islands as you approach by plane.
Or you can take part online from the comfort of your home.
And enjoy a cup of coffee while learning from the best about all things space.
We can't wait to enjoy all that we've missed since our last big event.
Inspiring and being inspired, learning new skills, participating in group discussions,
meeting other space lovers, and simply having fun.
Among all the amazing stuff that will happen this autumn,
we're still missing something. Any idea?
We need you to join us to make it happen.
Apply now to be a delegate for the Space Generation Congress 2021.
Pick your launch site and get ready to lift off.
Eager to know a little bit more? Check out our website, spacegeneration.org.